This is an issue that a few people have run into, and I've run into it in the past. It's what I consider to be probably a little bit of a glitch in the program itself. The issue is when you have your material applied to a closed group, and then you double click on that group to open it, and the material shifts slightly. Um, so the quickest fix for this, and sometimes what I like to do is I just check to see if it's projected because we haven't gotten into projected textures yet, but projected textures sometimes do this shift glitch as well. So it's not, so we don't have to worry about that. But just just uh, just notice that every time I click on this and then click out of the group, the material is shifting slightly. So every time this individual who would be working on this would be trying to create the walls off of this. Obviously, it's going to be really difficult as it moves over. So the quickest fix for this is to select the group itself, right-click, and explode it. And when you explode it, you'll notice that the material has shifted. But you've basically, when you explode something, you basically kind of release it into its purest state, into what it wants to be. So now that I've exploded this, I can regroup it by right-clicking and making it a group. Now if I open this up, you'll notice that it's not going to shift. So this is where the material wants to be placed. So the next step would be to take this entire slab and move the slab back into place. So I'm just going to zoom in and use my move tool and pick up on a spot that's pretty obvious and click it back into place. So because we're working off of a material anyway, and it's not completely accurate down to the fractions of an inch, it's okay in this situation to just move something over like that. And then if you want to open it back up by double clicking on it and push pull this in or out to get more information or less information, you can. So the material will now stay locked in place. So to recap, you basically just explode the group that's having trouble with the material, and once it's exploded, the material will set itself in the position it's going to be in, and then you can regroup it and move it back into place.